Tired of blurry photos and shaky videos from your Canon Eos RP? Let's conquer camera shake and unlock buttery smooth footage and tack-sharp images. First, for ultimate stability, especially in low light or when you need absolute sharpness, a tripod is your best friend. Ensure your tripod is robust enough for your Eos RP and lens combination. Unfold the legs firmly, making sure they are fully extended and locked. Mount your camera securely onto the tripod head, ensuring it's centered for an extra layer of steadiness. Use the tripod center column only when necessary, and consider extending it outwards to avoid vibrations. Next, let's dive into your Eos RP's built-in image stabilization. Access your camera's menu. Navigate to the Shooting tab, and find Image Stabilizer here. You'll typically have options like Stabilizer on and Stabilizer off for handheld shooting. Always keep this on. There might also be a continuous or shooting-only option, which can be beneficial for battery life and preventing slight shifts when the camera is static. Be aware that if you're using a tripod, in some camera models, you can also switch image stabilization to off to prevent the system from trying to correct for a stable platform, which can sometimes introduce unwanted movement. Consult your Eos RP manual for the specifics of your stabilization settings. Finally, let's talk about proper handheld technique. When shooting handheld, adopt a firm, two-handed grip. Up the lens with your left hand, supporting the weight of the camera and lens. Your right hand should firmly grip the camera body. With your index finger resting on the shutter button, tuck your elbows in towards your body to create a more stable shooting posture. When pressing the shutter, do so with a smooth, controlled motion rather than a sudden jab to minimize any jostling of the camera. By combining the power of a tripod, utilizing your Eos RP's image stabilization wisely, and practicing these simple handheld techniques, you'll dramatically reduce camera shake, leading to sharper photos and smoother, more professional videos.